we see here it tried backtesting. You can see here that there's some sort of issue with backtesting. Spot a syntax error. For some reason, it's importing future annotations. I've actually seen this before. I don't know why this keeps happening, right? But there we go. It's inspecting the code, and we're going to get that fixed, right? In the meantime, let me show you the rest of the stuff here. You have your tabs at the top. You have your chat. You have your history. These are all the different things that I've done in the past. We have strategies that have been created. They can actually search through and use. Then we have on the right-hand side here, the details of the strategy, how it actually works. We walk through that. You can see deployments if you actually want to run this thing, and running it doesn't necessarily mean real money. You can actually run it with fake money, and that's kind of what we recommend to a lot of people is when you build out a strategy, back test it, see how it would have done historically, but then run it with fake money so you can see actually the performance of it as well in that regard. Okay. Then we have the code. If you guys are coders, this I could see here, this is the problem that actually happened. I don't know why our AI keeps doing this. We'll make sure that that does not happen, right? Let me do a quick note to myself here because I've been seeing our AI do some funny business with this bug. Okay. So this is basically a thing that's getting fixed right now. And you can actually see here, if you're into code, if you are a coder, you could tell here that this is Python code. You could actually do whatever the heck you want to do with this thing, right? So here's hedge candidate. It's talking about the strategy. These are the parameters that were set, and you could actually modify these by hand if you want to do that, right? Then here's how it actually functions. This is what it does when it initializes. Here's a safe float. For some reason, we have that. Is the trade big enough? Right? Compute SMA, get trade signal, all these different things in here. If you are a coder, you could actually grab this code. You could run this basically wherever you want, right? Yeah, there's a copy button down here, and you could actually use this code and run it in any way that you see fit, right? Then we have our back tests. We're going to see hopefully a new back test start running in a second here. It says starting a back test. Let's see if it could actually fix it. And we can get this back test actually running. There we go. See it's starting a back test automatically. And let's see how this thing performed.